You know what? I was playing this interesting game with my friend where she gave me a word and I had to respond with what was the first thing that came into my mind when I heard the word. She said blue, I replied ocean, then came cars, I said long drives, then she said chocolates, I said weakness, big one, and many rounds later she said travel. And I said, I'm always ready for it. I really love to backpack and take off once in a while, you know. So let me ask you, what are the different words that come to your mind when I say triangle? Maybe an ice cream cone, pyramids, a pizza slice. That was just a fun list, but that brings me to introducing the topic of this video, which is Heron's formula. Around the time period of 10 to 70 AD, a Greek mathematician by the name of Hero of Alexandria, also known as Heron of Alexandria, devised a unique formula to calculate the area of any given triangle. And what is unique about this formula, you ask? Well, we know that we can calculate the area of a triangle using the formula half base into height, right? Using this formula, you can find the area of any triangle, be it an equilateral triangle, an isosceles triangle, a right angle triangle, or a scalene triangle. You have the base and the height values and you can find the area. But practically speaking, say if I have a triangular plot whose area I need to measure, then the easier way to calculate its area would be to measure all three sides and find out the area, isn't it? So is there a formula which allows us to calculate the area of a triangle if we have values of all three sides? Well, and the answer to that is yes. That brings me to the unique formula devised by Heron of Alexandria, which was named after him, and it was known as the Heron's formula. Also, this formula can be used to find the areas of polygons like quadrilaterals or trapeziums, which can be divided to form a triangle. So, what does this unique formula look like? Let us find out. Now, consider this, you are given a triangle with side ABC. Now, how do you calculate the semi-perimeter of this triangle? It is essentially the perimeter, which is the sum of all sides divided by 2, right? So, we have A plus B plus C, the whole divided by 2. Now, the semi-perimeter is denoted by the alphabet small s. And if you have the three sides of a triangle and its semi-perimeter, you can easily calculate the area using this formula. Area is equal to under the root signs s into in bracket s minus a into in bracket s minus b into in bracket s minus c. So, you see, you only need to know the measures of the three sides, which will give you the semi-perimeter of the triangle, and substituting all these values in the given formula, we have the area of the triangle. Simple enough. Brilliant, right? Okay, I may be sounding like a song on loop, but learning the concepts of math and not putting them to practice is futile. So, how about some simple sums? Let's begin. So, the first numerical says that we have a triangle with sides 9, 12, 15 centimeters each, and we need to calculate its area. So, here we will take A is equal to 9 centimeters, B is equal to 12 centimeters, and C is equal to 15 centimeters. So, we start off by calculating the semi-perimeter, which is half of sum of all sides, and that gives us S is equal to A plus B plus C, the whole divided by 2. So, S is equal to 9 plus 12 plus 15, the whole divided by 2, which is 36 divided by 2, and that comes to 18 centimeters. Okay, now we know the Heron's formula, right? Area is equal to under root S into in the bracket S minus A into in the bracket S minus B into in the bracket S minus C. Now, if I put the values of the semi-perimeter and the sides, we get area is equal to under the root sign 18 into the bracket 18 minus 9 into the bracket 18 minus 12 into into the bracket 18 minus 15. On simplifying this, we get area is equal to under the root sign 18 into 18 minus 9, which is 9, into 18 minus 12, which is 6, into 18 minus 15, which is 3. As the next step is to find the square root, we will not multiply these terms, but we will factorize the terms. So we can write 18 as 9 into 2, 9. I will keep as it is. Then 6 I will write as 3 into 2, and the last term 3 I will again retain as is. And not to forget, all these terms are under a root sign. Now, if we pair the terms, we have pair of 9s, we have pairs of 3s and pairs of 2s. So, square root of 9 into 9 is 9, root of 3 into 3 is 3, and root of 2 into 2 is 2. So, finally, I have the area as 9 into 3 into 2, which is equal to 54 square centimeters. Well, how about another one? Okay, here we have a park with quirky walls. The committee in charge of this park's maintenance likes creativity. So on one of the park's walls, there is a colorful triangle part with sides equal to 12 meters, 22 meters and 30 meters. And we need to find its area. Looks like the last one? Yes, it is. So we start off with finding the semi-perimeter. S is equal to A plus B plus C, the whole divided by 2. So we get S is equal to 12 plus 22 plus 30, the whole divided by 2. That is 64 divided by 2, which is 32 meters is the perimeter. Now we use Heron's formula, and how does that go? Area is equal to under the root signs S into in the bracket S minus A into in the bracket S minus B into in the bracket S minus C. On substitution, we get area is equal to under the root sign 32 into in the bracket 32 minus 12 into in the bracket 32 minus 22 into in the bracket 32 minus 30. Now on simplifying further, we get area is equal to under the root sign 32 into 20 into 10 into 2. So now 32 breaks down as 2 into 16, 20 breaks down as 2 into 10. The next two terms 10 and 2 remain as it is. And now we have area is equal to under the root sign 2 into 16 into 2 into 10 into 2 into 10. Now, if you look at the terms, we have a pair of 10s, a pair of 2s and 16, which is the square of 4. And the equation simplifies further to give us the area as 4 into 2 into 10 into root 2, which is 80 root 2. Well, this being the area of the colored triangle, it is 80 root 2 square meters. Well, that is done and dusted. So remember, I told you that Heron's formula cannot only be used to find areas of triangles, but Tutormate. For more amazing video lectures, download the free app on the Apple App Store or Google Play Store.